Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney. I just answered 5 questions on avo.com, but for some reason my mic didn't pick up my voice, even though it was plugged in and turned on, so I apologize. I'm creating extra videos to correct that because they're just playing with that audio that I had to delete them because they're pointless. They didn't help anyone. So I'm answering publicly posted questions on avo.com. I'm answering this question for someone in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. And here's the question. Can you help me find the best lawyer for my situation? And I apologize if my energy's a little bit low. I already answered all these. I'm just doing it again because I'm a moron. So sorry. Again, the question is, can you help me find the best lawyer for my situation? In April, I found out I was pregnant. Congratulations. After telling my employer, I was treated much differently than I was before I told them. I eventually had 3 or 4 complaints filed, including one about the HR lady who harassed me and literally laughed and made fun of me. Not a single complaint was investigated, nor did anyone come to talk to me about any of them either. That's just a little bit of the information about my situation. There's a few more, even worse reasons why I need to do this. Can anyone recommend a lawyer that is familiar with a case like this? Okay, so here's the quick answer. What you need to do is find an employment attorney. The best way to do that is to check your local options. Use this website, avo.com, and go to the Find an Attorney tab. There, you can search for employment attorneys near you, in your zip code, in your general area. Then, look for people who only practice employment law. It is theoretically possible that someone could practice, personal injury and employment law or matrimonial law and employment law. But generally speaking, employment law is a pretty involved field. There's a lot to know. And I would be much more comfortable for you if you had someone who just did employment law. It is difficult for an attorney in 2022 to be up on multiple fields. Some do it well. It's incredibly rare. Most who do it kind of bad, in my opinion. So find somebody just practicing employment law. Better yet, find 3 to 5 people just practicing employment law. Then check their ethical history, which you can also do on Avo, on their profile, and check their client reviews. Keep in mind that many client reviews will be positive, but every attorney is going to have a few bad ones. There are especially for employment attorneys, they're like racists who go around and leave bad reviews because they're mad that we're helping people with discrimination cases. There are a lot of people who get mad if we don't take a case. We say, hey, we don't think we can help you. People go and leave a bad review because we didn't take their case. Okay, that doesn't make any sense, but fine. So just keep in mind, every attorney will have a couple bad reviews, but look for things like this attorney doesn't return phone calls. This attorney dropped my case for no reason. This attorney told me to settle my case for the amount he told me, or he would just drop my case. Those are all things that I view as, major red flags. If you end up with no good local options, then consider speaking to national firms like ours. We handle cases in all 50 states. At the EEOC level specifically, but you're going to be much better off if you can find a good local option. Local options tend to be cheaper than national options because obviously local options are not flying attorneys around the country, right? So it's better if you can go local. We're here if you don't like your local options. Firms like ours are here as well. Just, local options can be better. I hope that's helpful. I will check the comments down below if you have follow-up questions. If this was helpful, consider liking and subscribing. It does help me to help more people just like you. Take care.